Former Member of Parliament Harry Douglas has died. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Former Member of Parliament for St. Mary Southeastern Harry Douglas died at hospital yesterday. He was 83 years old. Douglas passed away at the St. Joseph Hospital in Kingston, Jamaica. A member of the People's National Party, Douglas served as Member of Parliament from 1989 to 2007 before retiring from representational politics. He also served as Minister of State in the Minister of Water and Housing. A senior member of the St. Mary Southeastern Executive Body told Links 007 TV News that Douglas was ailing for some time and that the PNP family remains grateful for his contribution to St. Mary and the nation at large. Douglas is survived by his widow Denise and children. Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our heartfelt and sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.